So we recently hosted an AI competition and workshop for kids. Kids were challenged to use AI to help solve real-world problems like global warming or climate change. They needed to use tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E 2 to generate text and images as part of their submissions. I want to quickly show you what the kids learned in the workshop and some of the incredible projects that they built. In the workshop, kids were taught about how to spot deepfakes. They were taught about when AI can be silly, like when we ask it what weighs more, 2 pounds of feathers or a pound of bricks, and it answers they both weigh the same. Or how to prompt effectively to generate the images and text that they're looking for. It's incredible to see the kinds of things kids were able to create in this workshop. Team Spy Squad, for example, created a plan to create an online school in Afghanistan to help girls gain access to education. Or Team Triforce created a whole report on climate change and what we can do as a society and as individuals to best address it. All of the text and images that you're seeing here were created by AI with the prompts that the students used in the workshop. And you can see for some of the submissions, the various prompts that the kids actually used. So come to this website, link is in the description or comments, to vote for the team or the submission you think is best. There's a prize for the community favorite. And if you're interested in attending one of our future workshops or just learning more, fill out the form to join the mailing list.